Welcome to Cars Trends, your go-to channel for everything automotive. Today, we take a journey back in time to explore one of the most iconic and significant cars in American automotive history, the Chevrolet Corvette C1. This car wasn't just Chevrolet's answer to the growing market for sports cars in the mid-20th century, it was a statement of innovation, style, and the beginning of a legacy that continues to inspire car enthusiasts around the world. Join us as we dive deep into the rich history, design, performance, and cultural impact of the Chevrolet Corvette C1. The Chevrolet Corvette C1 made its debut in 1953 at the General Motors Motorama, an event designed to showcase the company's vision of the future. At the time, American automakers were primarily focused on producing large, comfortable sedans, but the Corvette broke the mold. It was a sleek, lightweight, fiberglass-bodied sports car that exuded sophistication and flair. Initially offered in polo white with a red interior and powered by a 3.9-liter inline-six engine, the Corvette C1's first production run saw just 300 units, making these early models highly coveted among collectors today. The use of fiberglass for the body was groundbreaking. This material choice allowed for a lightweight and corrosion-resistant design, setting the Corvette apart from its steel-bodied competitors. Its low, rounded silhouette, prominent front grille, and integrated headlights were undeniably unique and gave the car a futuristic appeal. Over the years, the C1 saw gradual updates, with changes to its styling and performance, but it always retained its distinctive character. By 1956, the Corvette had evolved to include sculpted side coves, offering a more aggressive and sporty look, while the addition of dual headlights in later years emphasized its modern design cues. Step inside the Corvette C1, and you're met with a blend of simplicity and elegance. The two-seat configuration, a rarity in American cars of the era, emphasized its sporty nature. Early models featured a wraparound windshield, a compact dashboard with minimalistic gauges, and a focus on driver engagement. The steering wheel was large and thin, typical of the time, but the seating was designed to offer support during spirited driving. As the years progressed, interior updates introduced more luxurious materials, additional color options, and refined details that elevated the driving experience. Under the hood, the C1 initially offered modest performance with its Blue Flame six-cylinder engine paired with a 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission. However, as consumer demand for performance grew, Chevrolet introduced the legendary small-block V8 engine in 1955, significantly boosting the Corvette's power and appeal. This V8 engine, with its responsive performance and throaty exhaust note, became a defining feature of the Corvette. By the end of the C1's production in 1962, the car boasted a 327 cubic inch V8 engine capable of producing up to 360 horsepower, a testament to Chevrolet's commitment to continuous improvement. Driving the Corvette C1 was an experience unlike any other. Its lightweight construction and low center of gravity provided nimble handling, making it a joy to drive on winding roads. The manual transmission options introduced over the years further enhanced driver engagement, allowing enthusiasts to fully exploit the car's potential. While it may not have had the refined handling of European competitors like the Jaguar XK120 or Porsche 356, the C1 offered an undeniable charm and charisma that resonated with American car buyers. The Chevrolet Corvette C1 was more than just a car, it was a cultural phenomenon. It appeared in movies, television shows, and music videos, cementing its status as an icon. Of mid-20th century America, the Corvette represented freedom, individuality, and the pursuit of the American dream. It became a symbol of post-war optimism, appealing to a generation that was ready to embrace innovation and style. From its early days as a show car to its role as a halo model for Chevrolet, the Corvette C1 left an indelible mark on the automotive industry. As we look back on the Chevrolet Corvette C1, it's impossible not to appreciate the impact this car had on shaping the future of sports cars in America. It laid the groundwork for what would become a lineage of some of the most celebrated and desired cars in history. Even today, the C1 is a sought-after collector's item, cherished for its timeless design, historical significance, and the sense of nostalgia it evokes. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the legendary Chevrolet Corvette C1, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Cars Trends for more in-depth looks at the cars that have defined the automotive world. Your support keeps us inspired to bring you more content about the cars you love. Stay tuned for more.